Hello. Welcome to Algoine. If you are having trouble selecting the trading permission checkboxes when creating an API on Binance, you can find the solution in this video. Let's first explain the reason for this issue. Binance has implemented an optional security measure that means API keys cannot be used without identifying the IP address. To remove this, follow these steps. If the bright box you see above is checked, click to remove it. You will be shown a confirmation form. Review the text here, and if you accept it, check the confirmation box below and click the Confirm. A risk warning and security verification will appear. Once you complete these steps, you can close it and grant trading permissions without specifying the IP address. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.